To set a sell limit order on Uphold, start by logging into your Uphold account and navigating to the trading section. Once you are in the trading section, select the asset you want to sell and click on the sell option. Next, you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of order you want to place. Select the limit order option, which allows you to specify the price at which you want to sell your asset. After selecting the limit order option, you will be prompted to enter the limit price, which is the price at which you want to sell your asset. Enter a price that is higher than the current market price, as this will ensure that your sell order is executed when the market reaches your desired price. You will also need to specify the amount of the asset you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or a percentage of your total holdings. Make sure to review your order carefully before submitting it, as sell limit orders are final and cannot be cancelled once they are executed. It is also important to note that sell limit orders are subject to market volatility, and there is a risk that your order may not be executed if the market price does not reach your specified limit price. However, sell limit orders can be a useful tool for managing risk and maximizing profits, as they allow you to specify the exact price at which you want to sell your asset. To get the most out of sell limit orders on Uphold, it is essential to have a clear understanding of market trends and to set realistic limit prices. You should also be aware of the fees associated with selling assets on Uphold, as these can eat into your profits if you are not careful. By following these steps and using sell limit orders effectively, you can take control of your investments and make the most of your time on Uphold. Remember to always do your own research and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.